In this video, I'm going to share with you the cost for service A, the fuel filter replacement, air filter replacement, the transmission service, tire rotation, and also I had to get some sensors recalibrated to get back on the road. So starting off the cost. Okay, so to replace the fuel filter is $510.48. The service A is $413.38. The transmission service is $803.89. The air filter replacement, $115.80. And to get the tires rotated, it is $57.95. And like I said before, to get back on the road, I had to get my sensors recalibrated, and that was $100. So to total that all up, the total was $2,031.27. Now the time, it was around 5 hours in total. I had to get up at 7 o'clock this morning to get up here. It's a 2-hour round trip. I get my vehicle serviced at the Hoover campus in Birmingham, Alabama. And yeah, so that's the total cost for that. Now, that to me, that's an investment, as it should be for yours, because this is my mobile office. This is my mobile billboard. I generate leads while I'm out doing deliveries with my business. So, you know, if you are in this business and you are generating $80,000 to over $100,000 a year, you'll be able to, you know, cover the cost of the service. And in this business, you know, us protecting the our investment, one of the biggest things that I am learning, and I learned from the staff at Mercedes, is to maintain the longevity of this vehicle is the fluids, the filters, and just making sure you are taking care of your maintenance, taking care of your vehicle, asking as many questions as possible. You know, a goal of mine, if you don't know, I would like to hit the million mile marker with this vehicle. And you know, they've told me some numbers that people whom they know and have serviced, they've seen people who have hit over the 500,000 mile markers. So that is all that I have for you all for this video, and I will see you on the next one. Safe travels out there on the road, y'all.